This is a typical Mercedes W210 instrument cluster unit. It shows the outside temperature on the left, shows the mileage and onboard computer messages in the middle, and shows the gears plus time on the right side. Normally the two small LCDs on the two sides are failing, the middle is okay. This is the case at this particular speedometer as well. As you see that on the left side the LCD shows nothing, all the pixels are missing. On the right side you have one or two missing pixels here and the rest of it is okay. This is how the exact same unit looks like after the repair. As you see, all the pixels are back, the contrast is much better. Actually, it looks like a new display. If you are interested in a permanent solution for the pixel problem for less than 35 euros, which equals to something around 47 US dollars, just navigate to this website www.pixelfix.net. We have real silver ribbon cables for sale which can be replaced at home DIY. We provide with a 6 pages long replacement manual which contains all the important details of the replacement procedure and comes with a lot of magnified pictures so you can see all the details you need to see. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask via email or on the phone. Again, the website is www.pixelfix.net. Thanks for watching.